Welcome to Kuwait, a gem in the Arabian Gulf. Known for its modern architecture and vibrant culture, it's a sight to behold. Kuwait City, the capital, is home to the iconic Kuwait Towers, offering stunning views. Explore its rich history at the Tariq Rajab Museum. Experience Kuwait's love for shopping at the luxurious Avenues Mall, or savor traditional cuisine at Souk Mubarakia. Don't miss the grandeur of the Grand Mosque, reflecting Islamic architecture.